In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily change the color of an object using DaVinci Resolve Studio. So I'm in DaVinci now and I have my video added to video track. The next thing I have to do is navigate to the section color and then open an option called color warper. And in here we're going to change the color of this car. There are a few different ways of how you can do that, but I'm going to show you two quick and easy ways of how you can change the color. So first of all, make sure you have qualifiers selected here and then navigate over the color that you want to change. Left click on your mouse, keep the hold on the button and rotate the mouse around the screen like this. If you take a look at the lower left corner on DaVinci, you can see that there is a color palette with this small little round web, and as I move the mouse I'm actually picking the colors from this color palette. Okay, so this is one of the ways how you can pick the color. So if I move the mouse here around the green color, I release it, and as you can see now the car is in green. So this is one of the ways. The other way is you can actually just open color warper and select the color here from the color palette. Literally just click on the dot here over the blue color, so this is the color of the car, and just manually move this dot to the desired color. And that's a quick and easy way of how you can actually change the color of an object. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to keep this dot over the green color because I want to change the color of this car from blue to green like this. And now what you will notice is that the surroundings have also adjusted, so now other parts of this video have turned slightly greenish as well. So there is an easy way to fix that. What you have to do is open the magic mask option here, select the pen with a plus sign, and then just draw this line over your car like this. And I'm going to exclude the rims for now. I'll explain why right after this is finished. Okay, so now you can see that I'm only selecting the car and the surroundings have switched back to the original colors. So that's done. And now the reason I left out the rims is because, as you can see now, the rims have got this greenish shadow effect as well, and I don't like the way it looks because the original black color looked really good on these rims. And to fix that, what we have to do is navigate here, click on the pen with a minus sign, and just draw a small circle right over the rim like this, and do the same for the other rim here. Okay, so what I can see right away is that the rims have changed back to the black color with no green shadows. And the last thing that you have to do here is on the quality, change from faster to better, and click on this button with two little arrows to do the tracking. So what's happening now is DaVinci is tracking the video and applying the magic mask effects and the colors to every frame of this video. Okay, so my video is really short, so the tracking effect only took a few seconds. But if I go now to the beginning of this video, replay, and as you can see now the rims are back to the original black color, the body of the car has changed to this nice shiny green color, and the surroundings of the video are also in its original colors. And that's about it for today. So If you found this video useful, then don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and thank you for watching.